Good day, my YouTubers. Alright, today we're going to be doing a tear down of this 4.5-inch angle grinder. It has a 1100 RPM. It's a 120 volts, 4.3 amps. Right. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you the steps of pulling it down and put it up back, right? So that you, if you're working it on your own self, you won't make any mistake and damage anything, right? That will be costing you. Alright, this angle grinder, it has a fault already, right? So this is a perfect example to use to demonstrate a tear down. The fault that it has, I might use as a future project to fix it and make it work, but for now I'm going to use this for a demonstration to disassemble and assemble it back. Right, so this is a tear down video. So the first thing you must do is remove this screw from here. Right, you have 1, 2, 3 and 4 screws. You have some screws on here and here, and this disc as well. Alright, a handle is supposed to be here, like you can hold it and grind it. You can put it on this side if you want, and this side, based on if it's a right hand or a left hand, or depends on the type of work you're doing and the angle as well. Alright, so to remove this disc, first you have to push this button down here and select it, and then you can easily remove this, and it comes right off. And then you remove that, right, and then you remove this. Alright, so in this case I'm going to remove this. Hold on, trying to remove it. Let us see it. Slacken it up. I need to easily to hold on. I'll just lock up some more. Alright, remove that. Alright, what I'm going to do now, remove this screw from the back here. Alright, take my time, remove that. Alright, as you can see, the brush is here. Alright, so first I remove this as well. Slot on both sides. Alright, put it one side. That is that. Next thing, I'm going to remove the power cord. Alright, hold on. I'm going to remove the power cord. As you can see, remove it. Alright, remove the power cord. Alright, remove the power cord. Remove that. As you can see, I have disassembled that. Alright, this now, remove that. Alright, then now you can safely push this down. Alright, as you can see, this switch, it's a 120, yeah, you can see the things on it, 250 volts, 125 volts over here, so it depends on the connection. Alright, put that aside. Then I'm going to remove that as well. I'm going to remove that. Right, using my terminal screwdriver to remove right. So this is low, this is very low. I use my terminal screwdriver again, remove this. Alright, it is successful to remove. Alright, now we'll go into this section. Guys, it's best to slacken all 4 screws, because if you don't do that, when you pull them one, you find out that one screw get stuck, right, and hard to pull. So it's best to slacken all screws first. Right, slacken all screws. Screws, alright, and then safely pull that out. Alright, so this looks alright. Disassemble this as well. Alright, so remove these screws. Alright, remove them. Oops. Can't afford to lose the washer, guys. Can't afford to lose these washers. Alright, alright, pull this screw right here, pull this, alright, remove this, this. Alright, carefully remove this. Alright. Right. Alright, so all I did, I just knock it, remove it. So this is amateur, the bearing, another bearing right here. Right, now we're going to remove the field coil by remove these two screws. Remove these two screws. Right. And then we're going to give it a little knock. To bring it. Alright. Take it out. Alright, hold on. Straighten out these. Alright. So this is how it looks inside. And this is the field coil. Right, and this is how it looks. You can see the condition that is in. Right, so this is everything that they have pulled up from the card, screws, the guard, the field coil, the armature, the casing, everything. So now is to fit it up back. Alright, step by step. Alright, so what we're going to do now, we're going to fit it up back. And as I said earlier, this 4.5-inch angle grinder is not working, right? As I showed you before, but this is just a video to disassemble and assemble it back, right? So first you want to straighten out these wires, right, and ensure everything is correctly done. Alright, so let us see that in a moment. Alright, so successfully put it down. Alright, as you can see. Hold on. Alright, so we're going to use these long screw Phillips. Push it down. Alright, and then we tighten it. Alright, you don't want to tighten it this side as yet, you just want to ensure everything is level first. Can tighten this after now. Alright, that is successful. Then we switch now. Alright, this part will come right on this part, because when you move this mechanism right here, you see it right here, so this part has to come there. Alright, so you push that right down here, disconnect right here, same for this. Alright, make sure this go into the grooves. Alright, alright, now we're going to connect the armature into this part, then connect that. Right, put in this screw. It's going to be 4 of them, guys. Put the other one here. Alright, looking for the washer for this. Alright, put this as well. Alright, hold on. Alright, connect. Alright, screw this in. Not tighten it as yet, guys, taking my time. You want to do it diagonal. Alright, screw like that. Alright, then now you're going to tighten. Alright, alright, so that. Sorry about that, guys. Didn't show you this part now. It's going on right here. I push this. Alright. Then the 4 screws now. One, 2, 3, 4. Then you screw it up. Screw it up. Same here, and do the same here. Tighten that. Tighten. 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 Alright. Now we're coming on to the brushes. Alright, which is the carbon brush. Alright. Alright, so the carbon brush come here. This screw. Tighten like that. Take the other one. Screw it like that. Alright. And then disconnect like that. Push it down in the groove. Same thing for this. Push it right like that. Alright. Then what's going to happen now? These now. push these through. Alright. Push it through. Okay guys, hold on, it gets stuck. Alright, trying to push this through, guys. I got it through. Alright. Kind of that. Alright. Block. Come here. Alright. Same thing for the white. White go there. White is the live, while the black is the neutral. Alright. Okay, hold on. Hold on, guys. Trying to get this on. Alright. Then put on this screw run off the back. Alright. Then we drop on. Screw on this. That means you can turn it. Hold on. Alright. This one tighten more. Alright, so fit it, disassemble and fit it up back. And alright, so remember guys, when you disassemble any equipment, remember to know where you put things, where you take a screw from, or you make indications where you take a screw from, or you put back the screw in the slot that you take it from. That way you know exactly where it comes from. Alright, so thanks for watching for this tear down and right and assemble back the drill, the angle grinder I should say. So yeah.